In 2016, a Japanese scientist won the Nobel Prize for discovering something your body does every single day that literally eats itself. It's called autophagy. Your cells have a built-in garbage disposal system that removes broken parts and recycles them into fuel. But here's the problem. Most people have turned off this system without realizing it. And when autophagy stops, your cells start aging rapidly. Think of your cells like a house. Over time, dust accumulates, furniture breaks, pipes corrode. If you never clean, the house becomes uninhabitable. Your cells face the same problem. Damaged proteins pile up. Mitochondria stop working. The cell becomes toxic. This is where autophagy kicks in. The cell wraps up all the garbage in a membrane. It's like a biological recycling truck, collecting waste. Then it fuses with a lysosome, the cell's incinerator, and burns it all down. But here's the part almost everyone gets wrong about what autophagy actually does. The waste doesn't just disappear. The cell recycles it into raw materials. Amino acids, lipids, nucleotides. Everything the cell needs to rebuild itself stronger. This is why fasting triggers autophagy. When food stops coming in, the cell switches to recycling mode. And this is where it gets powerful, because autophagy doesn't just clean cells, it literally reverses aging. In studies on mice, activating autophagy extended their lifespan by up to 30%. Their muscles stayed stronger, their brains stayed sharper, and they aged slower. Scientists believe the same mechanism works in humans. But here's the problem. Most people have accidentally turned off their autophagy. Constant eating, snacking between meals, eating late at night. These habits keep insulin high. And high insulin is the autophagy off switch. When insulin is high, the cell thinks food is abundant. It stops recycling and starts storing. So how do you turn autophagy back on? Here's exactly what the science says. Step 1. Fast for at least 16 hours. This means eating your last meal at 7 p.m. and your first at 11 a.m. This gives your insulin time to drop and your cells time to activate autophagy. Step 2. During your fasting window, drink only water, black coffee, or plain tea. No calories, no sweeteners. Even artificial sweeteners trigger insulin, which shuts down autophagy. Step 3. Move your body during the fast. Light walking or stretching activates autophagy even faster. Exercise increases the signal that tells cells to clean house. In a second, I'll show you the one food that completely blocks autophagy. It's refined carbohydrates, bread, pasta, sugar, processed snacks. They cause rapid insulin spikes that shut down autophagy instantly. Even one slice of bread during your fasting window can reset the autophagy clock. When you finally eat, break your fast with protein and healthy fats. These don't spike insulin like carbs do. Your cells get the building blocks they need to rebuild from the recycled materials. Autophagy is your body's anti-aging system. You just have to give it time to work. Stop eating constantly and let your cells clean themselves. Your future self will thank you.